Are you ready to tackle your CA exam registration? First things first, you need to access the BITE, official ICAI website at https://icaiexam.icai.org. This platform is your gateway to filling the CA exam form for various levels, including foundation, intermediate, and final. It's essential to set aside some uninterrupted time, and preferably use a laptop or desktop for the best navigation experience. After reaching the website, it's time to log in. Enter your student registration number, SRN, and password. If you are a newcomer to this process, click on Register and follow the instructions to create your account. If you run into trouble remembering your password, the Forgot Password option will be your savior. It can help you in resetting your password through an email or OTP seamlessly. Once logged in, select Apply for Exam and choose your exam level. Carefully verify your personal details, ensuring everything is accurate, as any error could lead to complications. In your registration, next, fill in your exam and center details, double-checking your selections. Then, upload the required documents, like a scanned photograph and signature, while ensuring that they meet the specified size requirements. After successfully uploading your documents, proceed to pay the exam fees through the available payment gateways. Upon confirmation of your payment, download and print the confirmation page. This document serves as your proof of registration, so keep it safe. Lastly, avoid the common pitfalls that many students fall into, such as incorrect registration details or late payments. With these steps completed, you are now on the path to achieving your CA goals. Prepare thoroughly and give it your best shot.